Welcome back to the channel and welcome to First Class Fridays, Dining with Brandon Johnson 10K, where I bring you the meal service from a first class flight. Today I'll be featuring Air France's La Première, the dining portion only. So, to start things off, you're greeted at your seat with a tray that features Evian water, chocolate, and a glass to pour the water in. So, classy touch there to start out. Something that is a little different. Now you have the pre-departure beverage here. This is the La Chateau Rosé. You actually have the appetizer. This is before takeoff. So here you've got some cheese crackers there. And on the tray, you've got smoked salmon and curd cheese with dill, smoked duck breast and pineapple chutney, roast scallops and prosciutto. All very good, but a little different than most service flows that is before actual takeoff. Another pre-departure beverage, the Laurent Perrier Cuvée Grand Cycle. So this is all before takeoff. So the meal service actually starts off. I had a whiskey there on the rocks. So I had some soup. This is cream of cauliflower soup. I believe there's bacon in there. Really good. As you can see the table settings, you've got warm bread, olive oil, dressing. Next, I had the lightly smoked Brazilian style beef sirloin, carpaccio, and sweet and sour condiment. This was also very good. Then you've got a salad portion where you can create your own salad there. So got lettuce, smoked trout, cherry tomato, shiitake mushrooms, and Parmesan cheese. And for my main, as you see a little turbulence there, the hake fish with lemon butter and capers, creamy polenta mascarpone, and some mixed vegetables you see in there. This was also very good. The turbulence wasn't at this particular portion of the flight. Luckily, it didn't last too long. You've got cheese options here, as you can see there. And I have the Comte and goat cheese. You've got some dried fruits, some nuts, and fruit as well, some strawberries. And the dessert, the royal chocolate cake, per you guys' votes on my Instagram story. I did take that. And a little tea service after the meal there. Really nice tea service that they had. Chamomile was my tea of choice there. So for breakfast, you've got yogurt, you got warm bread options. We have the croissant there. Got granola as well, some jam, some butter, fresh fruit. And we got the tea, more tea. Got orange juice, and we've got an omelet with roast tomatoes, sauteed white mushrooms, and grilled poultry sausage. And this was pretty good. So I'm going to leave you with the menu just so you have an idea of all of the options on the flight. Again, I hope you like these segments where I just break down the dining in first class, in true international first class, not United States domestic first class. So, yeah, I'd love to hear your opinions in the comment section below about this segment. Also, I'll leave links for other reviews in relation to my whole experience with La Première, the amenity kit with La Première, as well as the salon, the lounge for La Première. So, as always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.